Giraffe and Coin Pop both pay you for playing mobile games, but they track rewards differently, and that changes how fast you cash out. By the end of this, you'll know which app is better for speed, easier payouts, and long-term earning. Here's the quick answer. Giraffe is usually better if you want fast rewards with almost no setup. CoinPop is stronger if you're willing to stay longer in the same games. Start with how they work. Giraffe is built around simple playtime tracking. You install a game through the app, keep it open, and earn coins based on how long you play. That makes it easy because there are no mission systems or progression goals to figure out. CoinPop works in a similar way, but it puts more weight on how long you keep playing, and sometimes how far you progress. That changes the pace. Early rewards can feel slower, but longer sessions often pay better. That's the first big difference. Giraffe feels faster in the first few days because the app pushes quick starter rewards. If your goal is your first gift card, that matters. CoinPop usually makes more sense if you already spend hours on mobile games anyway. Now look at payouts. Both apps offer gift cards and digital rewards. The reward catalog changes by country, so what you see in the US might be different from what you see in India or Europe. Giraffe keeps the process simple. Play, earn, redeem. CoinPop adds a bit more tracking, which can mean better rewards on specific games if you stay consistent. Now the important part. Time efficiency. If you play casually for 20 or 30 minutes a day, Giraffe is usually easier, because there's less optimization. If you're doing longer gaming sessions, CoinPop often stretches your earning potential better, because the reward curve stays active longer. That's really what decides it. Quick recap. Giraffe is better for beginners and faster first rewards. CoinPop is better for longer sessions and better long-term value. Both depend heavily on your region and available game offers. Practical next step. Install both apps, test the same amount of playtime for 3 days, and compare your points earned per hour. If this helped you figure it out faster, hit like and subscribe for more app comparisons.